Hello, Krista.
It's Tuesday.
And we're a little late, but that's okay.
We were busy. We had customers, so sorry about that. But kind of not sorry because we were busy and we had customers, and we appreciate everybody.
That's true. We have Michael Tyler.
We do.
And Finchberry.
Michael Tyler and brand new Finchberry. So we're going to open the box together to see what's inside of it because it's going to be really cute and you're going to like it. And then you're going to tell me that you're mad at me because you like it so much when you wear it and how many compliments you get.
That's right. And then you have to come in and pick it up. And remember, private message us. It's easier for us to follow your...
Yes. Message us instead of putting it in the comments because otherwise we might miss you. And we should maybe put that right on the header.
Oh, true.
The video.
Too late tonight.
Next time. I just thought of that right
Or I'll
now.
just add it in after we're done.
Edit.
Hello, Bridget. She's saying hi.
Hi. The wonderful edit button.
We're super happy Bridget has been healthy and doing better. Yay. Okay. So let's start.
Well, there are some really cute things in this box. So Michael Tyler comes like this.
And it doesn't look like much.
No,
but there's always a lot.
But look at this shirt. Comes in black and white.
Very nice.
I did pre-do this just a little bit, so there's not so much plastic everywhere. I might slip and fall. But black and white, and it has this cute little knot.
It's super comfortable. It's a loose flowing top.
Yes. Should I put it on real quick?
Yes, you might as well. That's what we like. So we also have our Finchberry while we're waiting. And seeing as that I don't have anything else to do, I think I'll cut the box. What do you think about that, Krista?
Yeah. Cut the box open.
That's right. And I can do it one-handed. How cool is that?
You're talented, lady.
I know. My strength is amazing. Yeah. Are you ready?
Almost. Oh, this is really cute.
Look at that.
How adorable this is. And and none of these are priced. I don't even know what the price is on these.
Okay. Probably in like the, I think 69, 69, 79.
I think this one's like 69.
I think so.
Something like that.
I think you're right.
But it's Michael Tyler, so it'll last forever. So this is the black. It's got the cute
that ties in a perfect spot. It's got a little dip to the back.
White.
And the white isn't really thin.
No.
So you can wear it and not feel like you can see through it.
Correct.
So it's actually a little bit of an ivory color.
Yes.
If I must say.
They call it ivory. Imagine that.
Okay, so that's interesting.
This is in the box. What else? Started cleaning.
So spring is showing up. Next week we're hoping that Karen Hart is here for you.
There's a skirt.
Oh, cool.
I don't think I'm going to put the skirt.
We had a lot of ladies asking for skirts. So look, you don't have to put the skirt on.
No.
It's just there.
See? Hold your butt in. And then, guess what? It's got pockets. You'll be like, hey, I like your skirt. You'll be like, first of all, it's a skirt and it has pockets.
That's right.
You're going to show everybody because when dresses and skirts have pockets, we all turn into 5-year-old little girls and have to show everybody it has pockets.
Angela says you look amazing.
Thank you. I do. When I wear this, I will tell everybody that has pockets and what I put in my pockets.
She will. We all know. Everybody watching knows that this is true of Krista Lynn.
But it's so soft, this Michael Tyler material.
And
it should just be a little bit above the knee. And then
very good. I would guess that
underneath.
I would guess that to be 59. Don't quote me on it, but I would guess it to be 59.
Ish. We'll just say ish. So that was in the box. What else is in the box? Pants.
Oops, and more stuff, other stuff.
Yeah, other things. Okay, what's happening?
So
pants. Oh, and a tank top.
Oh, that's sweet. Those pants are really comfortable.
They are.
Are they the heavier like a?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Those are a dress pant, ladies.
And they're really like, oh my God, it's comfort.
I'm taking a pair.
These pants.
I'm taking a pair home with me because I need those.
What they feel like right now.
Right.
Your description was on point.
Thank you. I lose my mind sometimes.
No, they're nice and thick.
Well, we have a waiting list actually for those. We need to call some people. Yes.
Expect your phone to
ring.
ding, because we'll probably text you.
Those are super nice. The weight is perfect, and the length is really good. And of
Yep.
course, and they go up high, like over the waist a little bit, so you don't have
Right there.
the blumps hanging over the
Make sure
top of the
box is in
pant.
right spot. Well, I mean, that's good.
And that shirt is adorable
This
too.
shirt, should I put the tank on?
Yes.
Because I have a feeling that there might be something else in the box that will match with that. Okay, I'll be right
Oh,
back.
okay. Sounds good. Back to cutting this box open. Don't know what else to do with my time while I'm waiting. Luckily, she's a quick change, people.
It's
There.
really static clingy in here.
Oops. That's called winter.
I feel like, you know those,
Ooh, look at the box has bubble wrap.
oh, this is really cute.
Ready? That is super cute.
Okay, really cute.
Turn.
You can reverse it if you want. And then, guess what else is in the box?
I don't know. I haven't seen any of this.
The matching jacket.
Look at that.
I know. At first I was like, ugh, who would wear all that together?
And then she put it. And then she put it
I
on.
was like, oh, everybody needs to wear this together.
That's right.
It is super cute.
So this is all. Krista did the spring shopping for the store. So
Yep, Rhonda
everything we're.
helped too.
Yep, and Rhonda did too. Everything we're showing you, they picked out.
See?
It's really sweet.
How cute is this together?
That. I think I want that too.
It doesn't have pockets. But
That's okay, because the skirt does, and you can wear it with the skirt and then
Oh,
with your
that would look
pockets.
really cute with the skirt.
That's right.
And that the tank is just a little longer than the jacket gives you a little extra definition with your skirt.
Yep.
Beautiful.
Very good. Yeah, you look really good right now, Krista. There's no doubt.
Ooh. And then actually picking on me.
Aw. Okay, actually,
Okay, what's happening?
I don't know.
The matching pants.
Oh, and those pants are different than
They
the
are
ones you just showed.
different. They are
They're
a
cuffed.
banded bottom. They're not, it's not a cuff, it's a band.
It's band. Okay.
And they have a tie with the back elastic. So they're
Oh.
extra comfy.
They're buffet pants.
They are.
I like those.
So
Very
and they're just
sweet.
that- if you ever have Michael Tyler, you know that really. Ooh, there's pockets.
You got sidetracked
Okay,
from
we got sidetracked.
from the sentence you were saying.
It's that really nice weighted material. It's just it's not going to shrink or pill or fade or.
And it's going to look great. It'll lay on the body real
There's
nice.
polka dots around the.
Krista's discovering much. It's in the hood too.
Oh, well, that's kind of cool. Huh, sweet.
She ordered this stuff last August, so we forget.
I don't know what's in these boxes. Well, so
So is there anything else in that box that we didn't see yet?
I don't know. I don't know. Just more pants.
Okay, and then I didn't realize that Finchberry showed up today, and
Oh,
we love Finchberry. Finchberry is soap. Right?
oh, they make these now? That's cool.
They do. Yeah, that's a very descriptive thing. They make these. You're
Well,
worse than I am.
They're awesome. But
Yeah.
I'm giving you a visual. So what this is you put your bar of soap on it, and it helps, it keeps your soap dry. So then it dries out and makes your bar of soap last longer.
It doesn't
And-
get all mushy. Mhm.
No, and then it has a non-slip thing on the back. This is made to be cut if you need to cut it.
To fit wherever you need to put
Is
it.
this made out of corn too?
I think so, but I don't know
It
for
could
sure.
possibly be made out of corn. It kind of smells like corn.
Yeah, probably. Most of those types of things are.
And then, if it gets all gunky, guess what? You just run it underwater and go like this, and it's clean because it holds soap.
That's right. That's right.
So,
So we ordered in some soaps
ooh,
in
cranberry chutney.
everything from Finchberry that we ordered this time comes pre-boxed. They never used to box it up, and we thought it would be really good for
It
gifting.
smells so good.
Mm-hmm.
Shut up. Oh, it's cranberry chutney. I'm gonna take it out of the box because it's
You have to see it.
super pretty. Look at how beautiful. You can wash with glitter every day because you deserve it.
That's right.
Somebody asked me why I had glitter on my soap, and that's exactly what I told them. Because I deserve to wash with glitter every day because I'm amazing.
Right.
He said, oh, okay.
So what else is in there from? There's quite a few fragrances, so we'll just do a couple of them. Then you
Oh,
have,
these are the mesh holders. These are very important also. So you put your bar soap in there. Say you
if you like to leave it hang in the shower.
Yeah, so you don't have a spot to set it, and you can hang it. You put your bar soap in there, you cinch it, and then it suds as like a liquid. And
That's
then you
right.
just hang it up, and it dries really nice. And this is a nice mesh, so it's layered.
Right. Finchberry is soap that's made in Florida.
It is
And it's vegan.
vegan.
It is.
Food grade.
Mm-hmm.
What else? What else?
She's all excited. I put this order in. She doesn't know.
Fresh and clean. I bet you this one's blue.
Nice throwing everything, just throw
I
it.
do have to pick all this up when we're done.
Right. It looks like
I
the
leave
maid
it
will
for-
come in,
I
but
leave
she
it
is
for
the maid.
elves. So look at that, how pretty that is. So their factory, smells really good. It's just clean. You want to smell it?
I do.
She's looking at me like,
Ooh.
smell.
I'm a bar soap gal, so that is really good.
Their factory looks like a bakery because of how they make all their soaps, which is really awesome. What's this one? What's this one? So,
Are you?
Sahara.
Oh, that's a new one.
Oh, okay.
We have not had Sahara before.
Okay. Let's learn together.
That's right.
I just like doing that even though I don't have to pick it up. I don't care. It's fun for the moment. What is this one? Ooh.
Right.
That one's really pretty.
Uh-huh.
Reminds me of like a temple or something. Look at the top of that one.
That's gorgeous.
Yes. It's gold, darling.
Uh-huh.
You're both diamonds and gold. What does that smell like? What is it?
Smells just fresh.
Orange blossom and cedarwood.
Ooh, let me smell that one.
Oh, that smells really good.
That's just amazing.
And then, if you need to set it down, look at that.
Oh.
Perfect size.
Mm-hmm.
And if you need to
I'd
cut
probably-
it down to set it down, you set it like this.
That's right. I'd probably set it like that so everybody would look at the soap.
Right. Okay, one more.
One more and then we will
One
let her, yep, one more.
Okay. Okay. Which one? Is there another new one in here?
Probably.
Darlene. Tropical sunshine. I think we all need that right now.
That's right.
Cut away from yourself. Cut away. Stab myself in the belly with the knife.
We don't judge, we only giggle.
Do you get too
A lot.
excited? Cut myself. It wouldn't be the first time. Sad to say. Okay. Oh, this one's got a sun on it.
Kathy
So
says your shitter's cute. It is super cute.
Isn't it? It's really soft. So this is lime and jasmine. Oh, it's got straw or grass or something on it.
Let's see. That's not going to be straw grass. I'm sure it's something that you can wash with.
Well, oats.
But it looks like it.
It's got oats.
That's right.
Oats are good for your skin.
That's very cute. So this
Your
is,
tropical sunshine.
we have lots of new stuff. It's all
there's
starting to
still
arrive. Oh,
1,
there's,
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 more scents. 9.
oh, pull one more out and then we'll go.
Okay. And I ordered about 100 candles today. So we'll show you those when they come in. A new line too. And that one I don't know. Spark? What is spark?
We'll find out.
Okay.
They pack very smartly because they put paper on top of the soap so you don't cut it.
Yes. And then let me throw it.
And then let's see spark and then we will.
Ooh, spark is very colorful. And this is jasmine and orange. Looks like Jolly Ranchers.
That's
Isn't
really
that cool?
That's really
And
cool.
it's got sparkle on it.
Mm-hmm.
It smells really good.
Their bar soaps are bigger than they used to be. which is pretty cool.
Like, look at it compared to my hand. I have an average.
These soaps sell for $10, if you're wondering.
Are they?
Yes.
$9.99. And then you get, when you buy 4, you get a discount, right?
Yeah, then they go down to, if you buy 4 of them, then they're $9. You get $1 off.
4 for 32. 36.
36.
Bad
9
math.
times 4 is
Bad
36.
math.
So thank you everybody for watching. I'm going
Yes.
to cut Krista off now
Oh, and
because
there's sponges too.
there's just a lot of fun things happening. Got to come in. If you want a little fun in your day, come in and
There's a soap
visit.
called main squeeze. You can give it to your main squeeze.
That's right.
And they make you cause a spark.
Okay.
So they're going to take you to
What you give the main squeeze to your darling?
tropical sunshine. You give them tropical
Okay.
sunshine.
There's darling in there, so Krista's making a story out of it. Okay. I think
And
we
then
better
we all eat cranberry chutney. I don't know.
I think we better go. We're getting a little
Okay.
off.
All right, bye now.
Thank you.